This is the day, boys and girls. This is the exciting day where we finally learn how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. And so I'm so excited to teach this to you today. Now, just relax. Oh, calm down. No need to get all excited because we will all be working on this together. And so what we're going to do, and just thought I would share with you, that we are going to be changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. And you know what? I bet your parents have been asking you, why does Mrs. Stone let you leave your answers as improper fractions? When I was in school, every time I did a math problem that had a fraction in it, I always had to change it so it did not remain an improper fraction. And the reason why that has been happening is because I haven't had a chance to explain the proper way to do it. So today is the day. Now, I hope that you have already watched the video about how to do it on the YouTube video that I have shared with you, because that was an important video to watch. She explained to you why we do it, and she explained the process to you. But now what we're going to do is I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to go over 2 steps with you, 2 problems with you, so that you know exactly how I want you to do it. So we're going to go right now to a piece of paper, and I'm going to do the problem, a couple problems with you. And we're going to start off with the first problem. The first problem that, let's pretend that you just got done adding 2 fractions together and you got 17/3 as your answer. 17/3 is an improper fraction. So I want you to make a division problem out of that. Your 3, which is the denominator, becomes the divisor, and the 17, which is your numerator, becomes the dividend. And now you're just going to divide 3 into 17 like we have already learned. And we know that it goes in there 5 times because 3 times 5 is 15. And then we subtract and our remainder becomes 2. Our remainder becomes our new numerator and our denominator stays the same. And so our new mixed number, which is the proper answer right now, is going to be 5 2/3. I'll do one more for you. Now imagine that you got done and you've added 2 fractions together and you end up with 23/7. Now some of you can do this in your head, and that is okay. You may do it in your head. You may say, I know that 7 goes at 23 3 times. But I know that 3 times 7 is 21, and 23 minus 21 is 2. And I'll just keep the denominator the same. If this is hard for you, or one of the problems you just cannot think of it in your head, you are certainly encouraged to set up a division problem where the denominator is the divisor and the numerator goes inside the house as our dividend, and then we do the problem this way. This is totally acceptable, but I know some students, denominator is going to be 7, just like it is here. I know some students want to try to do it without having to set up all the work, and that is certainly fine with me. So the last thing I want to show you today is I want to show you that this is what your assignment is going to look like on Google Document. And this is the secret password that you are going to be using, Scooby-Doo. Please put it in capitals and spell it right. You will get 2 points if you put it in your document, and you, once you are completing your homework, you will turn it in to me. It's going to be on a Google document today. Another thing I want you to do is make sure you watch the Loom video that is after this video, because it will explain to you how to insert a fraction that looks like this, and I don't want fractions that look like this. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to say, don't do fractions that look like this. Do them that look like this. Please contact me if you have any questions. Have a great and wonderful Tuesday, and I can't wait to see you at Zoom.